Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, once again, Victoria with you with a very blessings. As we know that every day is a new beginning. Start strong this new year. So, you have to dream big, work hard, and make 2025 your best year yet. So, invest the new year with a heart full of hope and a mind of ambitions, guys. This year may be one of where all your dreams come true and all of your efforts bring you success you deserve. So wishing you a wonderful year ahead full of peace, joy and prosperity, guys. Happy New Year to all of my audience once again. And let's make the 2025 your best year. And now we have to start our new journey. So here I welcome to another amazing project in the start of the new year. So there's welcome to HyperKids token. So guys, I have placed all of the official links of HyperKids token in my video description. You can join. So this is a Hyperborn talented. I have to say something that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I'm not responsible for your any profit and loss. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, Victoria always come with an amazing platform. So you have to must like and subscribe channel Crypto Victoria. So here I welcome again to HyperKids. Basically, this is a token that's HyperKids have received almost 200 tokens, guys, and 100 million tokens will be stacked to generate daily earnings forever to the HyperKids. And other 100 million tokens we will be sold out at the rate of 1 million tokens per day. So this is our plan that we have to ensure successfully both sustainability and a consistently income for the project for the long term. So this is the transforming lives with technology, with solidarity. And guys, this is for the charity meme coin that's created to support that children's of the especially HyperKids Africa projects and inspiring the group of Kampala agenda. So led by Sir Janoni Marvin and Bettino Moss, HyperKid is dedicated to transforming the lives of children. So guys, that's the time we have to do good deeds for our good outcomes. So you have to just I recommend you have to join this is the time of you have to dedicate to transforming the lives of children in extreme vulnerability by providing sustenance and education and opportunities, as we all have to need to survive our basic needs. And so I think so you have to must take a look at this and you have to must purchase this for the survival of HyperKids of Africa. So this is the for only for the charity. This is only for time to good deeds. And the creation of this token is basically combining blockchain technology with social impacts that allowing people worldwide to contribute sustainability while earning profits. So guys, you have to join this exciting project right now, and it's time to support the HyperKids of Africa while earning daily rewards through staking. And this is the high you can here you can check out our token. Let's say that's hyper token is at or the top. So why does you have to take this? Because this is received 200 million tokens, as I have tell you what we have to do with this token. 100 for we have to sold and 100 we have to reserve for this. So you have to purchase and stake right here. And there is a sustainability and transparency, guys. Why you have to join us? Every token purchase help funds foods, housing and education. So this is what is the passive profits. It's helping, and you can earn also by staking your tokens. And main inspiring mission is to support this project that has already transformed the lives of almost 100 children. So providing new opportunity and hope to all of those children who can't get these of SSTs. So guys, let's time to do something good. So by acquiring HyperKids token, you are investing in a meaningful and innovation cause. So you have to just contribute for your best future, better future for their lives. You have to be a part of this social and financial project. And if you add this, if you join this, guys, then you get a lot of hair. So this is, as I tell you again, this is the project of Africa that is dynamically dance and acrobatics groups based in Kampala and agenda their mission from ghetto to the world. So we have to focus on uplifting children from streets, especially ghetto areas. So here you have to join Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube pages. All of our available here, so you can get this. You have to must join, and you have to start right now. You have to purchase now, right, guys? This is our Twitter official account, which you have to follow, and this is our official contract address. And you join, then you have to take this. And here is our all of the updations about. So, guys, your money works for you and those in need. So you have to just stake and earn now. Now, guys, you have to stake your token in M3, and you have to earn the steady returns. And this is our Telegram community where you have to join, guys. And this is our DEX screener review, guys. Here you can see our current price, and it will be completely bluish when you join. And here is our total liquidity, total market cap, what we have to do. So here is all of our about HyperKids and this, guys. So, guys, this is time for the donations. If I told you that you could make real money, serious money while helping the change the lives of children in Uganda, then sounds it's impossible. No, it is not. The HyperKids token is making it happen, and the project already has the attention of major celebrities. And guys, as I tell you, like Terry Crews, Lysander Hook, who have engaged with the kids through their live shows and interviews, plus with a massive audience of over 9 million followers. This is more than just a feel good. So this is the opportunity. You can't ignore these, guys, and you can building the hype. Hyperkids is not just about charity. It's a groundbreaking projects that combining, guys, almost blockchain technology with real impact, and we have to improve the chance of children to earn their passive income of agenda. And guys, let me explain how it works and why everyone is talking about it. So the Templa Uganda, a group of resilient and inspiring children guided by Susanji Marvin and Butindo Moses that started HyperKids Africa project. And these kids face numerous challenges every day, especially for their basic needs, educations, and opportunities. And this is for incredibly scarce. But instead of giving up, they have taken control of their futures in the most innovative way. And the power of HyperKids is that it is so unique. As I tell you, 200 million tokens were sent directly to the children while it's providing their immediate resource like basic needs, food, their education, their developments, and kids start by how to sell out their earnings themselves, making them completely autonomous and independent. So, guys, today no one in the project holds more token than the children themselves. Though this is not about profit for a team, it's about empowering these kids. So it's here where you come in, and you can stakeable these tokens, and meaning you can earn your passive income by holding and stacking at this M3 dot meta oro AG, and it's been to situation, and you can help the children. You can get your reward financially. So now we take a look at the platform itself. If we check the ranking, so we can see that HyperKids is currently offering a staking reward. So let's take a look at their staking rewards, guys, on M3M. Here you can see that this is the transform of meme coin from PV raised to dump. Here you can see that for the launch pages for Dagons for creators. So currently, if we see that offering a staking reward, you have to insert your base to the platform. This means you can earn 100 USDT for staking, and you can earn your reward daily. So it's get even better with compound interest. Over time, your earning can grow intentionally, and you can earn your reward. So right now, there are a few stakers that sharing in their high rewards, meaning the pool is highly creative. And guys, this is project that's flying under the radar with a social media audience of M3, 9 million followers, and recent the big names like Zinine, Terry Crews, and Luciano HyperKids has captured global attention. And these kids have a platform to perform live, being interviewed, inspired by countless people in the worldwide. So the buzz is real, and now US wants to be a part of this. And so you have to imagine right now you are the being part of this project, and you are to not buying this token, you are joining the movement. And also you have to don't miss this opportunity to do good while doing your best in the Guys, will stake your token on passive income and can help rewrite to this one. So this is every token you buy or stake, it's a step toward a better future of these children. So you have to share this and you have to share the link of Hyper Kids and you can get this. I hope you are doing this amazing job. You join and here you can see our socials of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube pages, how these children are showing their talents in America's performing their songs live on Gonna Make You Sweet here. So these are the tutorials that's available on Instagram and on YouTube. You have to play here and you can check it out this. So you have to support this community, guys. You have to just join right now because you join, then you can earn your